Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about NVM and as well as we will be installing NVM tool on our machine. Okay. So first of all, what is NVM? NVM is the node version manager which allows us to manage multiple node versions on our machine. So why we require NVM actually? So NVM like it becomes very what I say useful thing when we come across like saying that you need to install a specific version of node to install this dependency. Okay, so in that case we cannot install another node version or node application, correct? So instead of that, what we can do is install we can install this NVM tool to manage multiple node versions. Okay, so that will be very easy to manage multiple node versions. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's start to install this node version manager. So before that, let me show you if there is any node application installed on my machine or what. So I will do this node dash v. As you can see, it's showing some error. Okay, as node is not installed on my machine. Okay, so let's go ahead and install the NVM. So open the browser and type NVM and visit this GitHub repository. It's open source and we can install it through a bash shell, or maybe we can try from this Windows exe file as well. So if like before going to this bash shell thing, okay, so to install through bash shell we have to install this subsystem of Linux in our Windows machine, then only we can use this bash shell. Otherwise we have other option which is Windows exe we can use. Okay, so click on that and click on this NVM Windows again. So it will open this repository which is developed by different author. Okay, and then you can scroll down, and if you see there is option called a latest installer, click on it and again scroll down and click on this nvm setup.exe file. Okay, so it downloaded the NVM setup. Click on it. So sometimes your application require administrative permission, so you need to give that. Okay, and click on next, next and install. It's a simple process similar to other application, and click on finish. Okay, now open PowerShell application again and enter node dash v. So if you see the node version it's still not showing because we have installed NVM, not the node. So to install node we have command called NVM install dash dash lts. So if I write dash dash lts, then what it means is it will install the latest version of node. Okay, so let it download it. So if you see on the screen, it is showing a message downloading Node.js version 20.18.0. That is the latest version right now. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, the download process is also completed. Now let's make it as default. Okay, nvm use 20.18.0 and hit enter. So again it's asking me a permission. I have given the permission, and you can see it's now using the node version 20.18.0. Now I will try node dash v. Okay, as you can see it's showing the node version because previously node was not installed, now node is installed. Similarly, I can try installing the other versions of node, that is I can try with 18.12 as well. Okay, so if you see here, it started downloading the node version 18.12. So let it download, and after that I will show you like how this NVM list is working. So if you see, there are two node versions are installed, that is 20.18 and 18.12. So right now we are using 20.18. So this way we can manage multiple versions of node. Okay, if you want to switch to another node version, then we have command called nvm use 18.12. So in that case it will start using that. Okay, let me give the permission, it's asking me. Okay, so as you can see it started using the node version 18.12.1. So yeah, that's it for now. See you, bye bye.